Indupa village in Kajiado County in Kenya. Long rains in March through May failed for 3 consecutive years, but Indupa village received some little rains in March-April 2022. Elephants moved into our village looking for water and food. Villagers shared water in their water pans with the elephants. The drought has now worsened and all water pans and rivers have dried up. Cattle have died in big numbers and some are too weak to stand on their own. Villagers now depend on community borehole that serves about 2,000 people in an area about 100 kilometers squared. Children from Indupa Primary School, which is just nearby, also depend on the borehole to get their drinking water. Elephants also came to the borehole to get water to drink. Villagers have to pump water for themselves, their livestock, and elephants. Villagers have to pump water for elephants for the next 3 to 4 months when the next short rain is expected. Villagers are struggling because their cattle are dying because of the drought, and the price of diesel is very high because of the hard economic situation affecting the world. Yet, they have to struggle to pump the water for the elephants every day. As an elder, I help my community by providing them with diesel. My name is Elephatnts, and I am a resident here in Indupa village, Kajiado County in Kenya. We are experiencing a devastating drought that has never been seen before, and elephants have moved into our village looking for water and food. But we have to pump water for the elephants. Elephants arrive late in the evening because there is a lot of movement of people around the borehole during the day. If we don't pump water for the elephants, they will destroy the borehole facilities, like for example the tank, the troughs, or the pump house itself. They have already destroyed the tank ladder and scratched the water tank itself looking for water. As a short-term measure, the villagers require support for diesel every day to pump water for the elephants for the next 3 to 4 months when the short rain is expected. A solar pump, building an elephant-proof fence powered by solar to keep the elephants away from the borehole, building extra troughs for elephants outside the elephant-proof fence to separate them from the villagers, and major service for the old generator which sometimes malfunctions. Join me and my community to provide water for the elephants in my village.